Boyes Music, #1.
Yeah, you hear what me say? Love is a natural gift from God, and it comes right from the bottom of the heart. So no man have to play with that. You can't blend love and money. You are gonna lose both. All over the world though, them woulda say me mad oh. Cause she give me love proper, the things me do and do me go hard oh. Come make we do this one like Shaku, baby not be my cosa. Me go and give you all the things where you need, baby just come over. Follow me not to pop, good love me not be pop. Follow me not to pop, me go and give you this I love me like a comforter. Follow me not be pop, follow me not to pop. Me love me not be papa. I be no give you good loving, but you not take them.
Baby, you the act off, you the play pranks on me, yo. Cause you say no they comfort, you the like better for me, yo. Hey, every day see man they cry. For this love I done they try. Now you phone I done they call. If not lie, I the lie make thunder fire me. Oh I jeje, do me jeje. Do me jeje, oh. Baby, me say from
follow me not to pop, good love me not be pop. Follow me not to pop, me go and give you this I love me like a comforter. Follow me not be pop, follow me not to pop. Me love me not be pop. I be no give you good loving, but you not take them. She be the prettiest girl, man I go lie, but her style and her attitude make me want to cry. She want to be the boss, forgetting I'm the guy. All the basic what she need, I'm on a supply. So tell me why this attitude? Why you they make like a say boy you kind all day, and you they act like a say you type no day. Anytime where I call you just they act one way. If not love me don't show you, money me don't give. Us I don't billion I buy the nice car. All the things where you need I give freely, but still you they act like you kind all day. Not a pop. Good love me not be pop. Follow me not to pop. Me go and give you this I love me like a comforter. Follow me not be pop. Follow me not to pop. Me love me not be pop. I be no give you good loving, but you not take them.
girl, you the mad over me. Mad over me. Girl, you the mad over me. You the mad over me, yeah.
You know, sometimes it's nice to see your mind out. Gonna forgive all them. Want to take man them to be a hideout. When them need things them come around. But it's high time that we stop. You hear what me say? My motivation is the album. Watch out, coming son. King God, farmland, forever and always. Dig.
Master J on the mix. Boyes Music.